Unit 2, Complex Numbers, Example 2.1, Simplify I power 7. We know that I square is equal to minus 1 and I cube is nothing but I square into I. I square is equal to minus 1, so minus 1 into I, that is equal to minus I. And I power 4 is equal to I square into I square. I square minus 1, so minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So I power 4 value plus 1. So in general, I power 4n equal to 1. So I power multiple of 4, all the values is equal to 1. I power 8, I power 12, I power 16, like this, I power 4n equal to 1. So I power 4 into multiple of n, which is equal to 1, is always 1. So next, I power 7. I power 7 is equal to I to the power 4 into I power 3. So I power 7 we can write I power 4 into I power 3, which is equal to I power 4 is nothing but 1 and I power 3 is minus I. So the final answer which is equal to minus I. Next, I power 1729. I power 1729 is not a multiple of 4. So we can write I power 1728 into I. I power 1728 into I. 1728 is multiple of 4, that is 4 into 432. So I power 1729, I power 4 into 432 போடலாம் into I. So this is equal to I power 4 into 432. It becomes 1. The multiple of 4 becomes 1 into I. So 1 into I, this is equal to I. So I power 1729 equal to I power 1728 into I. So I power 1728 we can write 4 into 432. So I power 4 into 432. It's a multiple of 4. So it becomes 1. So 1 into I equal to I. Next one, I power minus 1924 plus I power 2018. I power 1924 minus 1924 we can write 1 divided by I power plus 1924 plus I power 2018, which is equal to 1 divided by I power 1924 is a multiple of 4. We can write I power 4 into 481. I power 4 into 481. 1924 which is equal to 4 into 481 plus I power 2018. 2018 is not a multiple of 4. So, here, but I power 2016 is a multiple of 4. So, 2016 is equal to 4 into 504. So, 1 divided by I power 4 into multiple of 4, that is equal to 1 plus I power 2016 we can write 4 into 504. 2016 equal to 4 into 504 into I square minus 1. So which is equal to 1 by 1 equal to 1. I power 4 into 504 1. So remaining minus 1. So which is equal to 1 and minus 1, it becomes 0. Problem 4. Sigma n equal to 1 to 102 I power n. Sigma அப்படின்னா summation. So இந்த terms 1லேருந்து 102 வரலும் add பண்ணிட்டே வரும். So I power 1 plus I power 2. nக்கு 1, 2, 3 up to 102 வரலும் substitute பண்ணணும். So I power 1 plus I power 2 plus I power 3 plus I power 4 plus I power 5 plus I power 6 plus I power 7 plus I power 8 etc. plus I power 97 plus I power 98 plus I power 99 plus I power 100 plus I power 101 plus I power 102. இப்போ இதில் 8 டேர்ம்ஸ் ஏன் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணுறோன்னா ஒரு 4 டீம் பேர்ஸாக நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோன்னா அதை அப்படியே ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ 4 பேர்ஸாக இதை ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணும்போது I பவர் 1 அப்படிங்கிறது I ஸ்கொயர் அப்படிங்கிறது minus 1, I cube is equal to minus I and I பவர் 4 is equal to 1. Again, I power 5 is nothing but I power 4 into I power 4 is equal to 1. That is equal to 1 into I equal to I. Similarly, we get I power 6 is equal to minus 1, I power 7 minus I power 8 plus 1. Plus I power 97 is nothing but I power 97 அப்படிங்கிறது it's a multiple of 4 வராது. So I power 96 into I அதை ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So I power 96 is a multiple of 4. அதனால அது I மட்டும் வரும். So I power 98 minus 1, I power 99 minus I power 100, that is 4 into 25, multiple of 4ல வரும். So value 1. I power 101 என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா I power 100 into I power 1 ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணலாம். I power 102 I power 100 into I power 2 ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணலாம். So next step I minus I cancel ஆயிடும். minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So 0 again 0 plus etc plus in the terms of 0 plus I power 100 equal to 1 I power 1 equal to I power 100 is equal to 1 I square minus 1. So we get minus 1 plus I. ஸோ இது ஒரு காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் ஃபார்ம், இந்த ரெக்டாங்கிள் ஃபார்ம்னு சொல்லலாம். மைனஸ் 1 ப்ளஸ் ஐ அப்படிங்கிறது இதுதான் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் ஃபார்ம். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் I into I square into I power 3 etc. I power 40. That is I power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to 40. ஸோ பேஸ் எல்லாம் மல்டிபிள் இருந்தால் பவர்ஸ் எல்லாம் நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ I means I power 1. ஸோ 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. up to 40. So I power 1 to 40. 1 to 40 we know that sigma n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of the n terms of the series n into n plus 1 by 2. Put n is equal to 40. இங்கே last term n வந்து 14 இருக்கு. So 40 substitute பண்ணா I power 40 into 41 divided by 2. 40 into 41 by 2 which is equal to I power 40 divided by 2 cancel பண்ணும்போது 20 into 41. Which is equal to I power 820. So this is equal to I power 4 into 205. I power 820 is a multiple of 4. So 4 into 205 which is equal to 1. Next problem, exercise 2.1, fourth problem. I power 59 plus 1 by I power 59. I power 59 is equal to I power 56 into I power 3. So multiple of 4 first solve பண்ணிக்கலாம். I power 56 into I power 3. I power 56 is nothing but I power 4 into 14 into I power 3 is minus I. So I power 4 into 14, 1. So 1 into minus I, minus I. Also 1 by I is equal to minus I. So இதுவும் நம்ம கான்செப்ட்ல பார்த்துருக்கோம். 1 by I is equal to minus I. So substitute பண்ணலாம். I power 59. I power 59 we can write I power 4 into 14 into minus I, that is I power 56 into I power 3 plus 1 divided by I power 56, that is 4 into 14 into I power 3, that is minus I. I power 4 into 14 1 into minus I plus 1 by 1 into minus I. So which is equal to 1 into minus I minus I, again plus into minus, minus 1 divided by I. That is equal to minus I minus 1 by I is nothing but minus I. So already இங்க ஒரு minus இருக்கு. So minus of minus plus, so plus I. So minus I minus of minus plus I, which is equal to 0. Exercise 2.1, sixth problem. Sigma n equal to 1 to 10 I power n plus 50. So which is equal to I power n into I power 50. We can write sigma n equal to 1 to 10 I power n plus 50. We can write I power n into I power 50, which is equal to I power 50 of sigma n is equal to 1 to 10 I power n. So I power 50 வந்து நம்ம காமனாக வெளியே எடுத்துடலாம். So I power 50 into sigma n equal to 1 to 10 I power n, which is equal to I power 50 into sigma n equal to 1 to 10 I power n. We can write I plus I square plus I cube plus I power 4 plus I power 5 plus I power 6 plus I power 7 plus I power 8 plus I power 9 plus I power 10. So I power 50. So I power 48 into I power 2. So I power 50 வந்து multiple of 4ல கொண்டு வர்றதுக்கு I power 48 into I power 2னு தான் அதை ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ண முடியும். into I minus 1 plus I cube, that is equal to minus I plus I power 4 is equal to 1 plus again I power 5 I power 6 minus 1 I power 7 minus I power 8 plus 1. So இந்த கான்செப்ட் நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி ப்ரீவியஸ் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸில் பார்த்துருக்கோம் எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸில். plus I power 9. I power 9 is nothing but I power 8 into I plus I power 10 is nothing but I power 8 into I square. So I power 48 1, I power 2 is minus 1. So it becomes 0 plus 0, I power 8 1, so balance term I. Next I power 8 is also 1, I square is minus 1. So in the minus 1 common இருக்கிறத multiple பண்ணும்போது this is minus I plus 1 or this is equal to 1 minus I. 1 minus I is a complex number, rectangle formula கொடுத்திருக்கு.